anything.
What does Opa call you?
Shithead.
And garbage gut?
Garbage gut and shithead. But that's exclusive to him, so nobody can call me that. Do not.
No one else can call her shithead.
Don't call me shithead. Don't make fun of me. Don't tease me. Guys. You can call me whatevs.
1 and 2. Yeah, I think I do need this to figure out how to push this out this way more. Because I have to lean over a decent bit. Oh, that scared me. Stay.
You can't kill me without my consent. That's a hate crime. Wrong chat. No, right chat. Correct chat. That's funny.
It's a big forbidden sprinkle.
Mmm. Looking pretty tasty over there.
Yeah, luckily the cats have just left us to do our thing today.
Why did...
What'd you do? What happened? What's wrong?
Look at this one.
Show the class. Yeah.
This is the first one. Look at this one.
What happened to him?
What has he been through? He's been through too much. Like... God.
The other one has so much, like,
You look... So, yes, this one.
This one's a masterpiece.
Thank you. And
I think it's because you made him like a potato head. Like, he's just a big...
Well, I'm trying to copy the art here. And
Sorry,
I shaded him way too much. Round boy. He is a round boy.
Oh.
The other one is very sharp, and this one is round. And do you know what? I'm fighting with it too much. That's it.
He's a very round
I'm
boy.
done. So I can start sketching a leg if you're done with one of those guys.
So you can use this one.
Thank you. Kind of has the... Ooh.
What? Tell me.
Line Gundam shape. Ooh, new Gundam. Everybody hold.
We really enjoy when you, like, give us Gundams to go search up.
We love it.
We learned about the
windmill
Gundam
when we
last
found
time.
the windmill. Oh my goodness.
Love it. We were shown a very cursed Gundam too. One was a hand.
Ew, the one with the toes.
One had toes. Can't say I'm a fan of toe Gundam.
No.
My least favorite currently.
Yeah. Look how jacked this one is.
He's beef. Is he standing on his tiptoes like a ballerina? Look at him.
Aww. That's nice.
He kind of looks like he's from Gurren Lagann. Okay, not that one. He's very long there, whatever that one is.
Yeah, he does have like a roundy head. Oh,
My personal fave is the Turn A Gundam.
Ooh. Oh, look at this one.
Click once, make it big.
Look at this guy.
I like
Whoa.
it. Is it acceptable to call that a mustache?
I was about to say that. It's like the reverse. How the thing on him is lower.
Oh yeah.
You see?
I see what they were going for. But I also see why I think it's a mustache. I like that he's very rounded in a couple areas. Oh, the little tiny model. That's so cute.
That's very cute. The SD. Oh, his little wings.
I love that. With the little wings and the flail.
Mm-hmm.
Menacing. Adorable, but also menacing.
I like this art.
Okay, this one.
Oh, in Shroud they call it a mustache or beetle horns. You were right.
Oh yeah, I'll take that.
This one's really cool. So this is from Turn A.
No, I just cut out the right thing.
It's really cool.
goes on. Oh jeez, sorry.
Yuck.
Pardon the hiccups. Show they call it a massage. The turn A, the G cell for the most powerful units.
G cell.
This goes here. And we're done leggy number 2. Bye-bye.
Oh, this is the one I was just looking at.
Gundam gets weird. I don't remember the name of the show they were telling us about that had all the funny Gundams, like the tequila Gundam, the windmill looking
Reminds me
Gundam.
of a bug.
Is it because he's got little like
fly
rhinoceros
wings.
horns?
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of a fly. Oh, I like his jets.
Okay, number 8. I think I'm onto the waist now. I'm down here. B. 29 and 11.
That's the one with the Z movies and windmill. Oh. Zombies. Oh right, the zombies.
What?
When we learned about the zombies in the windmill and tequila.
I love them.
I love them too.
11.
We love our unique children. They're all very special. Leg.
Sorry, don't mind me. I'm just dropping stuff.
Look at the... Do you still think it looks nice outside?
That is a very dark cloud. That's very low, too.
Was it supposed to storm tonight?
19 degrees Celsius and sunny, according to the PC.
Oh.
Look at, if it was a little bit farther back, do you think it would hit the top of that apartment? I think so.
You think?
I think so. I do.
Whoa, imagine being in a super tall building in a lightning storm. Would that be scary or beautiful?
Probably both.
Gonna lurk for a bit, gotta water the dogs and plants. So nice.
What kind of doggies?
Yeah, before you... What kind of dogs?
Very important question.
Yeah, I need to know. Thank you. In advance, yeah. A feral Amish fox and a raccoonish brat. Okay. Good.
Those aren't the answers I was expecting.
But
I don't know
still
what I was
accepted
expecting, but
and
that
enjoyed.
ain't it.
Thank you very much. Sometimes I wish I worked at like a wildlife conservation or rescue hospital or like thing like that.
Yeah.
Because while I love working with domestic animals, eventually I would love to broaden my horizons and try something new. You know? I think it would be very cool.
Yeah, but they're probably not going to bring you in like weird exotic animals at a domestic veterinary clinic.
No, we don't do exotic animals. There are some hospitals that do, of course.
I've had farm animals in a couple times, right?
Yeah, but they were owned by people that work at the hospital, so we made like exceptions.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of farm animal veterinary services will like go to the farm because it's a lot harder to just bring
a giant farm animal.
Yeah.
Well, you know, that
A lot of the
sounds
times they
right.
travel. Mm-hmm.
This goes like this. Oh.
Oh! Got him.
Fixed.
Easy peasy.
Did I do this right? Is this what this is supposed to be? Yeah, it is. Okay. No idea what I just built, but it's here. A31. B. Oh, I just yeeted all of my runners. Oh, goodness. I'm making a mess.
Oh no.
There we go. Guess I can move these tweezers because I don't need them. I'm on the last piece of the first page. 13 and 15. Oh, we have cotton.
Oh, here he comes.
Hey, honey. Watch out for
Hi.
the sprinkles.
Hi, mister.
You come this way. You go over here.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Good boy. Thank you, honey. He's holding onto the runner holder.
He's just making sure it doesn't go anywhere. Havy says, Kitty! This is the big boy. Always coming over.
Always coming back. So this is Big Man. This is Cotton.
Hi, big man.
They're both rescues. Cotton's 2 years old. He's gonna go pick a fight with little Loki. Loki's 1 year old. He was the black cat earlier. What? You going back and forth? Can't pick a spot? Oh,
Big stretching.
No, you don't get dinner for another couple hours.
If you don't say big stretchy when a cat or a dog does a stretchy, did they really stretch?
Rich and Andy, thank you for the follow.
Thank you. Cotton, was it?
Cotton and Loki, yeah. I kept the names that they had when they were adopted. So he's from a shelter. He's a shelter baby. And Loki was found by a friend's relative on the side of a highway at 3 months. Oh, that's not a good spot to lay down, buddy. And the family that found him named him Loki, and he's a huge troublemaker. So
yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Cotton's very passive, as you can tell. He's decided this is where he's going to lay.
He's a big suck.
He comes around a lot when he thinks it's close to dinner time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, big yawn.
He's very lovey, and he's a big glutton.
Hey.
And he'll try to walk over and like sneakily take a bite
your food.
or take your food. And he pretends he's not looking, and then he'll just try to, like, snag it.
Yeah. Gotta keep building, buddy.
Not anymore.
You wanna go see Auntie Peanut?
Maybe. Buddy. Oh, where did I put my book?
I know.
Hi, mister.
I know.
Hi. Yeah. Can I
interest you in a different section of the table?
Come here.
He's considering it. Oh, no, honey. No. Sharp. Come
here. Oh. Oh, you got
might be able
snacks.
to persuade him with these.
Oh, yeah, that was easy.
Immediately, he's like, hey,
Hi.
you gotta keep scooting. You gotta scoot a little bit further, honey.
Come here.
So I'm working here.
Come here. Sniff. Lure.
Here you go.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, we need a third camera for cat cam.
Yeah, we do. That'd be beautiful.
Loki's just sitting over there, not really desiring treats.
Mm-hmm.
Loki.
You want one, buddy? Here. No.
Where was I? 13, 15.
Say hi to the nice people. Okay. All right.
And 15.
You want
Careful with how many you give him. Those are catnip treats.
Yeah, you true.
Oh, Loki, you gonna come say hi?
Come say hello. Come say hi to the nice people.
Here, big Chonky's in the way.
He's a little baby.
He's a lot smaller than
Alright.
Con.
You're both cut off.
He wants your boba now.
Well, it's empty, so
There's way too many cats in front of you right now.
not enough. Okay, you go that way, and now you can come say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hard to see you against my black shirt.
That's true. He blends in.
Thanks. Thanks. Well, maybe the mic picked that up.
Give me kisses. He's licked the microphone before.
Well, that
Oh,
must have
he's
sounded very
typing
nice.
something somewhere.
Oh, he's just perusing Google.
Yeah. Taking a look-see.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking online during my lunch break today to see if there was any good, like, Gundam apparel.
Yeah.
I didn't find anything on the usual sites, so I think I've got to get creative in where I look.
Mm-hmm.
Which is doable. What's he eating?
No. No, I'll put these back.
Oh, is he eating the treat bag?
Top shelf?
Yeah, they were just in the closet. I have to put them on the top shelf because he opens the closet, and I've seen him like walk around the house carrying the treat bags.
Naughty!
Yeah, he's an absolute gremlin.
You little sneaky.
He's got to do it for the treatsies. My sprinkle stack is getting big enough that you can see it on the camera now.
You're all fuzzy. Oh, you do what I do and you hold it up. I see.
Oh, these? How I hold them up?
Mm.
We heard a noise and we both looked to check it out. He's just giving himself a bath.
He can bathe himself now.
You know, when we first got him, he knew how to clean his paws and that was it.
He's come a long way.
He's grown. Okay, so I've got this. And then pointy goes forward. Pointy forward, pointy forward. Clip. Oh, that was a good clip.
That was loud.
That was a good clip.
That's what you've been looking for.
That's what I've been waiting for.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where does this bad boy go? On the front here? No, he goes towards the pointy. How in the heck? Oh, he was supposed to go on the inside. Alright, let me just...
You played yourself.
I did play myself. It goes right here. Wait, no way. There's no way that's gonna fit there. Well, it does. Something about it just doesn't sit right with me. Really? Yeah, so stick down, pointies forward. Just looks like it doesn't fit very well. Maybe that's what it's supposed to look like though. Where did you put the box?
I stole it.
Oh, Loki went back to bed, had his
Yeah.
catnip, and decided to call
Yeah.
it a day.
They got what they wanted.
Where's this piece? What does this look like to you? Because I cannot tell.
What is it?
Oh, it's his shoulder.
Yeah, this, right?
Yeah. That looks like it's a little bit higher than this, though. See what I mean? I guess it does go up
Right
above
there, right?
the spiky bit.
I think you got it.
Oh, you can move it. The more you know.
Ooh.
Alright, where was I?
I'll just put this here.
I think I just did 8. I think this one. Over here. B1, A3. A3. Hand time. Hand time.
Hand time.
What other 8 pieces do I need? 22. Oh, blue piece. A22. Oh geez, there's this whole thing that builds into it. A8. You're drawing out the leg to decide how you want to paint it?
Yep. I do a front view, a side view, and a back view of just the main pieces that I know I'm going to touch up.
BC. H. I. It's basically nighttime already. It's only 8.
Mm-hmm.
H, I, N. N. Let me know if you get hungry. I can go get a snack.
No, I'm okay. I think well, actually, this is finished.
Your boba. B. 32, 33. Are you gonna wait to start priming once you've drawn out all the pieces and you know what you want to do with it?
Yeah. That's the plan.
32, 33, 17, 1. One goes with the hand. Oh.
Oh.
I keep pushing my runner further and further away. Oh, it'll probably help if I flip this the other way. There we go. What was I cutting out? 17? There it is. Okay, I think I have all the pieces I need. Okay. Some of the pieces are so small, so delicate.
I believe you.
I wonder if you can get sanders that are like nice and small too for stuff like this.
Oh, for sure.
Because this is kind of a pain in the ass to sand. There we go. It's hard to hold.
For for itty bitty pieces?
Yeah. Oh, that did not feel nice.
Oh, the countdown.
The dreaded countdown. Last time I went like this.
Oh.
And it fixed it.
Okay. Interesting.
It is interesting, because I don't think that should do that. Six of us nice and smooth. Occasionally I hit one of my nails and it just sends like a shiver up my spine. I'm just like, ugh.
Yeah.
Gross. Hand completed. Time to build whatever this is.
Nice.
Clip. 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 Yeah, I guess I'll cut off all the nibs and then I'll sand them.
Thank you. Seriously.
Done with the leg?
Mm-hmm.
I should have an arm for you fairly soon.
Okay, no rush.
Put the leg over here. Do you want to show the people what your sketches of the leg look like?
Ba-ba-ba! I understand it. Do you? Oh, jeez.
I think as long as you get it.
Yeah.
Because you're the one that paints.
Mm-hmm. Actually, lied. Can I have that leg back?
Yeah.
Thanks.
There you go, man.
My world is epoxy powder and pure kimchi pad thai. That's random, but
Kimchi
sounds
pad thai
lovely.
sounds like something that would absolutely destroy me. I'm very bad with spicy foods.
It sounds like something I would absolutely love.
Kimchi pad thai.
I love kimchi.
I like pad thai. Is there like a smiley friendly version?
Mm-hmm.
Like a peanut pad thai?
Yeah. I can make you some non-spicy pad thai.
Oh, do you need more kimchi when I take you home? I don't know if the store's still gonna be open.
No, I have some still.
You still got some?
Mm-hmm. Because I got that really big tub last time.
Oh, you went for like the value pack?
Yeah, I did. I'll get like into spurts of it. Sometimes I'll eat so much of it and I'll eat it like every day. And then I'll go by a week or two and I'll be like, I don't really want it. And then all of a sudden I just want it again. My senses are open. All 37 eyes are invoked.
I believe it.
Yep.